Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss Samsung TV is not displaying anything and how to easily resolve the issue. Number 1. Verify power and connections. Check power status and inspect cable connections. Ensure the TV power indicator light is on. If the light is off, confirm the power cord is securely connected to the TV and a working outlet. Test a different outlet. Check all cables, for example HDMI component for secure connections. Replace any damaged cables. Ensure external devices are correctly connected. Number 2. Test the TV menu display. Access TV menu. Press the menu or home button on the remote. If the menu appears, the TV is working but may not be correct input or receiving a signal. Number 3. Verify input source. Select correct input. Press the source or input button on the remote. Cycle through available inputs, for example HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. to find the active source. Number 4. Power cycle the TV. Perform a soft reset. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Wait for 60 seconds, plug it back in and turn it on. Number 5. Check external devices. Test connected devices and try another devices. Ensure external devices, for example cable box, gaming console, are powered on. Connect these devices to another TV to check their functionality. Connect a different device to the Samsung TV to see if it displays correctly. Number 6. Inspect the One Connect box if applicable. Examine One Connect box. Ensure the One Connect cable is securely connected at both ends. Check for bent or pinched cables. Replace if damaged. Disconnect and reconnect securely. Number 7. Disable power saving and sleep timer settings. Adjust TV settings. Go to Settings, General and then Eco Solution. Turn off power saving mode and sleep timer to prevent automatic screen shutdown. Number 8. Update TV firmware. Perform software update. Go to Settings, Sport, Software Update and then Update Now. Install any available updates to ensure your TV runs the latest firmware. Number 9. Perform a factory reset. Reset TV to factory settings. Navigate to Settings, General and then Reset. Enter PIN, the default is 0000 and confirm. Note: this will erase all custom settings and installed apps. Number 10. Seek professional assistance. Contact Samsung Support. If the issue persists, visit Samsung Support for expert help or request a technician for hardware repair. Thanks for watching.